friends, welcome back on the channel. Clement here, Pilot 509. In this video I got to do something that I love doing, giving friends a taste of General Aviation. We flew over downtown Nashville for some sightseeing. Nashville, also known as Music City, the home of the Tennessee Titans. It was relatively a short flight from where I'm based in Clarksville. The view was awesome. Hope you guys enjoy.
West, sir, and you are Mooney?
Affirmative. Mooney 17 Foxtrot Delta, and I do have information Foxtrot.
Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta, report 4 miles west of John Tune Airport.
We'll report 4 miles west of John Tune Airport.
Command's a 36 Victor Hotel and 503 Whiskey Kilo traffic, 10 miles west, reporting 4 miles west is the Mooney inbound John Tune.
Looking out for traffic for Whiskey Kilo.
Mooney 7 Foxtrot Delta, traffic outbound to the west is a Bonanza and a Cirrus.
We'll be looking for traffic. 7 Foxtrot Delta.
Flight 3 on the helipad, looking for a shot takeoff departure.
Mooney 7 Foxtrot Delta, runway 20, clear to land, traffic on the roll, Cessna.
Clear to land for 7 Foxtrot Delta.
Mooney 7 Foxtrot Delta, turn left next, taxiway, contact ground control 121.7, short of Alpha.
We'll contact ground for 7 Foxtrot Delta.
Turn out to the north.
Alright, we got the manual good for Brown, and we'll take the pattern and looking for the option on the way back.
Copy all.
And once you're in this road, clear for takeoff, please, here.
Affirmative.
What's the altitude before turning?
Fox Delta, you're sharing downtown with 8 Diamond Star, who's up above you at 3,000 feet, same position.
We'll be looking for traffic, thank you.
Lunar 67, traffic south, you're 1 o'clock, down low about a mile, 2,200 some Mooney.
Switch for truck. Traffic, Blue Raider 67.
1 mile, 900 feet above.
Okay, I'm not to see it. He says it's diamond. Look, there's a point. At night, this is really beautiful.
Cook, 739, big river, Nashville Tower, clear land, 201, 130015.
Clear land on 1 2 left, 2 left, You see the Batman building? This is the stadium, huh? This is the stadium. So this is,
Nashville Airport, plan to move to crossing. Delta 2886, Nashville Tower, clear to land 20 right, 130014.
Clear land 20 right, Delta 2886.
Good, Fox Delta, get out. Blue Air 679, copy, you're ready to go back to the borough. Proceed direct Nashville Airport, plan to move to crossing.
Back to the port, Blue Air 67, I'd love to get back to Nashville.
Blue Raider 67, Tower, can you hear me?
We've got you midfield, direction to the field, and we'll go back to Nashville from there, Blue Air 67.
There you go, thank you very much. November 7, Fox Delta, what are your plans after you're done over downtown?
Hey Kevin, that flight was just fantastic. I mean, the sky was clear, circling Nashville a couple times. Man, it was just fantastic. I really enjoyed it.
And look at this Honda
Oh,
jet.
man, and the Honda jet behind us. That's what we're gonna take up next.
And if you can hear us, that's because it's loud. Look at this. Talking about beauty. Oh.
I did not realize that that was on the engines were on the wing. So the sky was clear. The circling was perfect. I had not even any pit in the stomach concerning this flight.
Nice.
It was smooth. The operator was just excellent. The pilot was first class. I really enjoyed it.
That's
Thank you so
it.
much,
That's
man.
it. That's it. That's it.